Hello students, in this chapter we will learn how to find your workbook files. The only problem you can encounter in opening a document from the open dialog box is locating the file name. You can't locate here file name when you're going to the open command of your Excel sheet. You just go to the browse. Here you can see the search document is here. Whenever you enter anything here, it will give you the list of some documents related to your typed alphabets. This is the way how you can search your documents in a particular folder that is situated in your personal PC. As soon as Windows finds any matches for the characters you type, the names of the worksheet files appear in the open dialog box. When the workbook you want to open is listed, you can open it by clicking its icon and file name followed by the open button. Now you can see here is the open button. When you open its drop down, you're having so many options here. First option is open read only. This command opens the files you select in the open dialog box list box in a read only state, which means that you can look but you can't touch or edit your opened file. The other option is open as copy. This command opens a copy of the files you select in the open dialog box. Use this method of opening files as a safety net. If you mess up the copies, you always have the originals to fall back on. The other one is opening in browser. This command opens workbook files you save as a web pages in your favorite web browser. This command isn't available unless the program identifies that the selected file or files were saved as web pages rather than an Excel workbook. The other one is open in a protected view. This command opens the workbook file in protected view that keeps you from making any changes to the contents of its worksheets until you click the Enable Editing button that appears in the orange protected view panel at the top of the screen. The next one is open and repair. This command is to repair corrupted workbook files before opening them in Excel. When you select this command, a dialog box appears giving you a choice between attempting to repair the corrupted file or opening the recovered version, extracting data from the corrupted file and placing it in a new workbook. So, they all were the commands of the open button by which you can open your files in different ways. If you want to have the protected view, you want to have the copy, you want to have the read only view, then these options will be selected by you and the file will open in that mode. Thank you.